How to delete Indeed account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Indeed account on your Indeed app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Indeed app, and once you're on your Indeed app you have to tap on these three lines in the top right corner here, and then tap on settings. And now here in settings tap on privacy settings. Now here in privacy settings scroll down, and now here in accessing and deleting my data, here in this says Indeed offers all of its users right to access and delete their data as detailed in section 10 of our privacy policy. To access or delete your data held by Indeed, just fill out this form. So you have to tap on form, and now here in personal data request you have to select a request type, select the deletion of your personal data. So select this, and then here if you want you can go through all of this, and then here scroll down and make sure you have selected Indeed, and then here enter the email address you created this account with, and then here scroll down and in select if this request is for you or someone else. So if you are making this request for yourself, select this. If you are making this request on behalf of someone else, select this. So I am making this request for myself, so I'm going to select this option, and then here in the bottom you have to tap on submit request. Now open your email, and you will see an email like this. So you have to open this email, and then here scroll down, and then here you have to tap on confirm request. Now your data request has been sent and your account should get deleted, and so this is how you can delete your Indeed account. Thanks for watching.